Hello everyone, welcome to this enlightening video where we explore the groundbreaking reforms in India's criminal laws. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a remarkable new book, New Indian Criminal Laws, authored by Dr. Rahul Bharati and published by esteemed Vinod publication. This book is your ultimate guide to understanding the monumental shifts in India's justice system, effective from July 1st, 2024. If you're a student, academician, judicial officers, JMFC exam aspirants, advocates on record, AOR exams, legal practitioner, police officer or forensic expert, this book is excellent and highly demanding one. Everyone must have this book. Dr. Rahul Bharati incorporates unique features like comparative tables, scenario-based case studies, and Supreme Court rulings. His book pays special attention to forensic methodologies and digital evidence. For judicial officers, the book simplifies procedural updates and highlights key Supreme Court interpretations.